Lois Ehrmann, effective clinical supervision for 2 days, and then her online
Yes,
part is
okay.
6 3-hour sessions
Yeah.
through Zoom.
Okay. Clinical supervision is kind of a tricky thing because usually people become supervisors without a lot of training in what is clinical supervision. How is it different than being a therapist? What tools you need to work with people when there are problems, when the issues come up. And more it's being recognized that training in clinical supervision is probably a very good idea. And actually, the College of Registered Psychiatrists requires 30 hours of training in clinical supervision before you become a kind of licensed supervisor. So we were looking around who can offer this kind of program. And Lois Ehrmann is a social worker and practitioner in Pennsylvania who has offered a lot of clinical supervision training. She's going to come for 2 days. Our description on our website gives you a lot of details of what those 2 days are about. And then if you want to follow it up, or even if you just want to take her webinar series, she'll be offering an 18-hour webinar series, 6 3-hour sessions. Again, it's all detailed on this website. So if clinical supervision is something you want to learn about, if you want the certification for it, this will be a good program for you.